What do you think globalization is?
I think globalization is how the world is connected through different mediums such as the internet.
Globalization is the process of increasing the connectivity and interdependence of the world's markets and businesses. Breaking cultural boundaries is one part of globalization. Food is one example of this. Because of globalization, people in Australia are eating tacos. People in France are eating Chinese food. People in North America are eating escargot. One example of an American company that globalized is Starbucks. Starbucks started in Seattle, Washington in 1971 by Jerry Baldwin, Zev Siegel, and Gordon Boken. After Starbucks was sold to Howard Schultz, Starbucks rapidly expanded. Starbucks started to open up new locations in Vancouver, Canada, and Chicago, Illinois. Now there are locations all over the world in 55 countries. Starbucks spans over 6 continents and has over 17,000 locations over the entire world. There are locations in Hollywood, California, Belfast, Northern Ireland, Beijing, China, Calgary, Canada, Tokyo, Japan, London, England, New York City, New York, and many more. Starbucks globalized into an international business. What do you think outsourcing is?
I think outsourcing is when people request the use of other people's ideas in different countries than the person requesting them.
Outsourcing is contracting, subcontracting, or externalizing non-core activities. So what exactly does this mean? Outsourcing is basically when a company sends activities to other parts of the world so that the company can make the most amount of profit. A big example of this is manufacturing. For instance, Nike uses outsourcing to lower costs and increase profits. Nike pays manufacturing companies in other parts of the world, such as Asia where labor is cheap, to manufacture inventory. Outsourcing is a common practice for athletic footwear. Other companies such as Reebok and Adidas use outsourcing in manufacturing their products. Globalization and outsourcing are both woven into our everyday lives. Whether it is the spread of companies or the distribution of work within a company to different parts of the globe, our world as we know it today would not be the same without globalization and outsourcing.